How you feeling, Justin?
EP. No one likes that answer.
So today we're on site. This is the Edgewood fence project, and this is a project that maybe has taught me a few lessons about the capacity of my shop and things like that. It's very large. It was ran into a few snags, but here we are. We push through and get it done. And so as you can see, we have decorative panel that we cut on our fast cut all the way across the top. Yesterday we started this install. We came in and started setting posts in that corner. We worked our way that direction and then worked our way this direction. And we set the post. We got it perfectly level. And then we just went and set a frame and then a post, a frame and then a post all the way over there. Justin's going back in and making sure that everything's perfect level and that all the fasteners are set really well. And then over here, I've got Caleb helping me. And today I got Caleb's dad, Mark, working with us. And we're setting the panels over here today. We're running a little low on shims and things like that, but we're getting there. And we've got this section here to put up, and then we got the section right over there to put up. And that'll be it for the fencing panels. And then over here, along where you see the car and the driveway and the temporary railing, we've got decorative railing that's going to go over there that matches this pattern here. And so the idea was to carry this all through. They originally were going to put just regular railings around this whole thing, and then they wanted something decorative, and so they gave me a call, and it kind of blew the project up. They had to come in and dig out, pour new piers, and to accommodate for the height of the fence. And one of the things we did also is we added railing up top there. So we actually built the cap that the railings are sitting on. And then we did the same decorative panel. It's all sitting on the angled. Both of those are two different angles too, by the way, just like 0.5 degrees off. So, and then we had to stretch that piece across the front there. And then Kuntz Glass came in and actually took the measurements off my drawing and ordered the glass, and then came and installed it just yesterday. So project's moving along. It's taken a little bit longer than we anticipated. We ran into several snags, but you know, we just keep pushing through. I got a great crew, so these guys are awesome. They got my back every day. So hopefully we can make some better progress today and knock this baby out. Right now we have these 4 sections up. We got one more to go. In the video you just saw that we had a bunch of other people standing here, and we had to shift the whole fence down the line. Unfortunately, the concrete guy just randomly threw in rebar, so nothing consistent for us. And so every now and then, if we place the post bases on the center, we end up hitting rebar. So what we decided to do is just to offset everything and just live with that, because we got to get the job done. Can't tear out the concrete. There's all a bunch of things. And so I didn't want to take it completely apart and move it because we were hitting rebar and we were running out of space because of the adjustments I made. So there's another crew here, and you know, always trying to be respectful to the crews when I show up. I think that always pays off because these guys were dropped what they were doing. They all came over here, and then we unscrewed the whole thing, and then we moved it 2 inches, shifted it. We're still hitting rebar even though we shifted it, but we're making do with that. And then, but we made the adjustment we needed for everything to line up good down here. And so, you know, sometimes on the job site, everything isn't perfect, but you know, the attitude that I try to have is, it's not easy either, is to just, you know, roll with it and do the best I can and try not to sacrifice any quality along the way. So now I'm gonna jump in and help these dudes finish this up.